Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how to fix error on Instagram when you see we are sorry but something went wrong, so how we can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to close the Instagram app and just open it again, and if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power phone again, so just simply restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to check your internet connection, so just open Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to install updates for your Instagram. So just open App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and just if you see update button, just tap on it and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.